Today we're going to be making Junior's grown-up grilled cheese here on LCD. I'm going to start off by spreading one side of both slices of bread with a little butter and then a smear of Dijon to taste. This recipe calls for about 4 to 6 tablespoons of softened unsalted butter. It also calls for 2 1-ounce slices of American or yellow cheddar cheese, 2 1-ounce slices of Munster cheese, and 1 1-ounce slice of creamy Havarti cheese. You're going to start mustard side up, alternating the cheeses and stacking them, and then with the final piece of bread, mustard side down. Next, you're going to preheat a griddle or large skillet over medium-low heat. Add a large pat of butter, and after it's melted, add the sandwich. The recipe calls for a grill press, but it says if you don't have one, just use a large metal spatula and press down on the sandwich. Just continue to press down on the sandwich a few times while it's cooking. By the way, this recipe does state that you can use any kind of bread you want. I'm using white Italian. Add a second pat of butter to the grill and turn the sandwich over and cook until the other side is golden brown and the cheeses are hot and melty on the inside. I ended up having to use more butter because my cheese just wasn't melting. The deli cut a little over 5 ounces of cheese. Now, let's look at this cheese ball. Yeah, epic fail. There was no cheese ball. Like I said, it was way too much cheese. I had to end up nuking it a little just so the cheese would melt without burning the bread. I'll be honest, these cookbook recipes are recorded on my first attempt and they don't always come out perfect, but I'm learning a lot. And there you have it, you guys. That's Junior's grown-up grilled cheese.